Talita, mi niña.
No me lleva nada. No me lleva nada. No me lleva nada. No me lleva nada. No me lleva nada.
No ya oku le wawa okuta.
No me lleva nada.
Se okere le wawa lo de.
No me lleva nada.
Bolo bolo su no pipe ye hace.
No me lleva nada.
Bolo bolo oville maya.
Hello everybody, my name is William Bramer and today I would like to, is December 5th, number one, and it is the opening party and the opening reception for Cristina Chacon Gallery in Coconut Grove. I cannot be there, I am exhibiting there, the design district is booming, the Coconut Grove is booming, there's a buzz in Miami, the whole world is looking at Miami, but I just want from the heart to say, Cristina Chacon, I love you, I wish you all the best, the very best. I think that you're going to do a fabulous job over there in the Coconut Grove area.
We're very happy that, you know, she's a nice lady, the gallery looks beautiful. We're very happy she's coming to the street. It's gonna make the street like crazy, and it's what we need in Coconut Grove, so more art gallery.
Moving with this.
I feel great about it too because I think the Coconut Grove is a great area. It's a wonderful area and the gallery is very beautiful. And actually I'm very, very happy and I'm proud of myself also because things are moving kind of fast and I'm really happy about it. I'm really happy to be exposed in such wonderful places and areas.
Cristina Chacon studio is beautiful. It's modern, it's clean, it's just gorgeous the way she has it set up. It's very exciting. There's a lot of people there, and there's a shout out to her. I wish her the best, and I know she's going to do great. And I'm very happy to be there.